Do you feel like your garage or workshop is drowning in sawdust? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a simple way to solve that issue right after this.
How are you spending your Labor Day weekend? How about not spending as much? Come into the Home Depot and save up to 40% on appliance special buys. Get a Samsung washer and dryer for just $4.98 each. Prevent your clothes from being frayed and your budget from being snagged. See why with Labor Day savings. Today is the day for doing. The Home Depot. More saving. More doing. U.S. only while supplies last. Gas dryer extra. See store for details. Valid through September 11th.
Sawdust is a necessary byproduct of many of the projects we do around the house, but nobody likes dealing with it. Now, most of the power tools we use have a port that's intended to connect to a vacuum hose so that we can control the dust. But at my house, the size of the tool port never seems to match the size of the hose on my wet-dry vac. Now, if you have this challenge, try this. You can cut a 2 or 3 inch section from an old bicycle inner tube and stretch it over the end of the vacuum hose, then slip the other end over the dust port on the power tool to create a universal adapter and solve the sawdust crisis. This simple little trick should keep your workshop or garage nice and neat. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.